Dear Teroxx, welcome to our weekly crypto news and market update video, and today we will talk about 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week, and are we waving lower or not? This is the main question in this week just before Christmas. So this is the Christmas week or the week before Christmas, and Bitcoin is struggling to hold 17k because FUD is hardly still on the market and on the run, so there is no coming down for the market structure, and so there's no real huge buy volume, and this is a reason why we could wave lower. So Bitcoin spot price may be seeing a capitulation or a slow grind. Let's see how it will pay out. But if you take a look on the chart, and we will do it in the next minutes, you will see that there is a, so to speak, flat development, and this flat development can be lead to a huge push or a huge breakdown, but we won't stay in this kind of scenario for quite a long time. Bitcoin is acting like always in bear markets, some people are saying. So a final washout is what a lot of people think the most attractive scenario for the next days and weeks. New US data, US analysis predicts risk assets dive. Very strong US dollar against British pound, reading from a mostly accurate estimator. Fed will hike and continue hiking. This is as well what Powell said. Even if they are slowing down a little bit, markets went down, so crypto went down as well. Binance CEO is saying everything regarding Binance and not holding all the assets is FUD, as foul plays claims continue. Where FTX began, Binance is now following, and stuff like this. Binance is trying to work actively against it, and now everyone is taking a closer look. The Binance chefs are saying, okay, this is all FUD and you should not listen to this. Miners up the competition here as well, so to speak. A war between the miners is at the moment ongoing, but it's not so important for us right here at the moment. We're not doing any mining, we're just doing crypto investment and trading. Binance US wants to buy the Voyager digital assets for 1 billion. Voyager went down this year, and now Binance wants to help the assets and the customer to rise again, and saying, hey, why not move on? We are buying all your assets. The company's claims against 3 Arrows Capital remain with the bankruptcy estate, and any future recovery on these and other non-released claims will be distributed to the estate's creditors. The Binance US bid aims to return crypto to customers in kind in accordance with court-approved disbursement and platform capabilities. So Voyager paused withdrawal in July and filed for bankruptcy amid liquidity issues arising from its exposure to a 650 million loan default from defunct hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital. Now Binance wants to help here and is showing that they are strong, even if people are saying that there is a lot of FUD. Did you? If it's true or not, we all do not know. But what we need to say is that Binance paid out each and every customer until this point and still wants to help Voyager Digital in these hard times. Ethereum bulls wake up after 4 years to transfer nearly 23,000 Ethereum, and people are now saying, okay, they don't want to sell this, they just want to build up a new project with it. And here you can see PackShield recover or restored all these movements of these assets, where they come from, and it all started in 2016, then went to 4 addresses, and then went to Polynex and stayed at Genesis, and now they are active again. So people are saying here maybe will be a decipher intent behind the move, and that there maybe will be a new project that will be announced soon. So keep your ears and eyes open. This Ethereum mostly won't be sold in the next days and or weeks, but maybe there's a good project coming along. Bitcoin still lags, even if Puel saying we can see positivity in this market. Did you? He's saying the Bitcoin network activity is underwhelming and is the thing that needs to change for a rising Bitcoin. He's saying long-term holders are resisting the urge to sell despite Bitcoin being down over 70% from the last all-time high. At the same time, short-term speculators, so to speak, tourists, are likely already mostly gone from the market, and that is missing, he's saying, a rise in network activity from all participants. He then saying holding behavior from long-term investors, painful losses from short-term speculators, and third, network activity across the board. So personally, seeing 1 and 2 as fulfilled, 3 is still underwhelming. When network activity is rising, Puel will mostly be like, and is our thing, that this market could rise within the next weeks and or month. What we always need to say, this is just one opinion based on one scenario. This is not based on the whole economy, that this is as easy as he is saying this. He's just saying this is an opportunity that it can come up and can occur, not that it will be like this for like a 100%. If we take a look on the 7-day performance chart, we need to state that everything went down over the last week. Bitcoin and Ethereum not went down as much as all the other altcoins. Most of them are down 2 digits, and in market cap we went down from 840 to below 810. So as well here in downtrend of more than 4%. If we take a look on Bitcoin, there's not a lot of things to analyze. We had a good support at around 16,900. Then the inflation data from the US were quite good. Then the Fed said, okay, we only will make a hike of 0.5 point and not 0.75, and so the market went up. It had a good resistance building at above 18k. We went up nearly 8% within 1.5 days due to good data. But then Powell said, okay, chilled, relax, coming down. And this is a thing why then all the markets, of course, went negative as well. The world markets went down again due to this same, because Powell said even if we're not hiking it 0.75%, he means that on all the economy is not good already. You know, it's not now that everything changes. It continues to be a bad market scenario, and then all the market went down, and how you can see the market went even more down than it rose. We are down like 9%, building a resistance at 16,600, and then went flat, thinned the sell-offs, no real buy volume. If I'm scrolling out, you will see good resistances at around 16k and at around 16,350. So this would be the next support lines if we're going down. If we're going up, 18,000 or 18,250 are the next major resistance line you need to keep an eye on. If we will rise or not will be mostly be done in the next days before Christmas, when everything seems either to chill down or to pop up a little bit. So this, let's see what will happen. But all in all, the market structure is not giving big hopes for a huge rally for the next days. I hope you liked this video. If you do, I would love you to comment, like, or share this video, and we'll do this next time when it comes to weekly crypto news and market update provided by Teroxx.